Hey YouTube, I'm back with my Minn Kota Traxxis 45. Thought I had fixed it, but not. Same problem. I'm going to show you. It is stuck in almost full speed. Position is at off. As you can see, I'm going to plug it, and as you can see, and even if I go reverse, forward, it is stuck at full speed forward. So potentiometer is defective, and I'm going to change it. I already bought the part. This one comes with wires, but the potentiometer on the Traxxis 45, that model year, is a flat cable that goes to the potentiometer. So anyway, I'm pretty sure I can fix it and weld it to the flat cable or somewhere on the board. So let's do this. So you'll need to remove all the screws under. There's one. Is holding it all together. I'm just removing it like that. Removing this plate. The longest part goes at the top, shortest one at the bottom. Remove it. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a flat cable, and I don't have a flat cable. The one that I bought, and it should be absolutely the same, has no flat cable. Everything is sealed, so I'm not gonna weld it somewhere else because everything is sealed in epoxy. So I'm gonna weld it to the flat cable. I'm gonna scratch what's covering the conducting. I'm gonna weld it exactly like it is right now. I'm going to try this. I'm going to remove this one here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to try to pry it out. As you can see, you see the 3 pins that comes from the flat cable. I'm going to try to pry it out. Okay, so pins broke. I'll maybe try to open this, or I'll just cut it and try to weld on it. Okay, parts are flying all around the kitchen. That's okay. I'll find it later. Another one. There you go. So from here think I'm gonna split it with X-Acto, utility knife, and split it so it's going to be easier, and I don't want to weld those all together. I'm going to put a heat shrink when I'm done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go slowly and split these. There you go. So there are the three part. Now what I will need to do is weld these all together. So I'm pretty sure position of the wires, these wires should be the same on the flat cable, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, gonna go get my heat shrink and do the final job. Okay, finally the last one. Gonna put more solder on that one. Put more on the wire. There you go. Now I'm going to retest just to make sure. Reverse. Everything is okay. Okay. Now just checking. Everything's okay. Now I'll try to put the heat shrink around it. Okay. Like this. Just like that. And shrink these. And there you go. This is my fix for my Traxxis 45. Now I will wait a bit and use some tie wraps. Now it's too hot for now. I'm gonna rearrange the thing and put everything back like it was. Okay, now I'm gonna try to rearrange this, so I'm going to put a small tie wrap right here. And another one about here. Okay, now reassembling everything back, the handle. Everything looks great. This here, you need the ribs to go towards the handle, longer part upside. There's a slot at the bottom, so it needs to go there. The handle should be at the off position, and you need to put this on the pot meter, so it can be maybe easier to put the pot meter in the handle before. And putting, oops, plastic sleeve white goes there, just like that. Now everything is okay for the handle. I can still test it. Still working good. Now, sorry, you need to put this in front of that part of the cover. It goes here, not behind it, because you want to put pressure on the ribs on the handle. So I'm starting behind it and pushing towards the handle. Yeah, looks great. Looks, it's right on the sweet spot. I'm gonna put the 6 screws back and the fix is complete. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last one. There you go. So everything is working. So testing again. So there you go, 25 bucks, fix. And if you want to do the same, check your model year. But I got the part off of eBay, and this is what I ordered. Go with your serial number and you'll be okay. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down there below. Maybe you can share this with friends and family and fishermen. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.